I can eat. I won't fake it with you, girl, I'm happily up in my bag like a young nigga supposed to be. I don't think you hear me, baby. I love you. Doing everything good and I'm supposed to, cause I love you.
What's up, my beautiful butterflies? It's your girl Ryan, and I'm back with another video, period. So today's video is going to be a voiceover because my son was asleep and I really wanted to record today. So I'm just going to be chiming in and telling you guys what I'm doing and what I'm using. So I don't remember everything that I used in the video, even though I show you, and heads up, everything that I show you is going to be blurry, but I will list everything in the description below and you guys can follow along like that. But I will let you know the eyeshadow palettes that I'll be using so you can at least get the same colors as me. The eyeshadows that I'm going to be using are mainly from the Morphe Bronze Mocha 25B palette. That's going to be the light brown that I'm using, the dark brown. There's like a peachy shade that I'm using. This is also going to be a cut crease. See, boom, boom, boom. Be going back in with the Morphe palette. But the white I'm going to be using is from the Morphe 35S Sweet Oasis palette. And I'm also going to be cutting my crease, as you could tell from the title of this video. I'm going to use the P. Louise base in Rumor Zero. That's completely white, and you're going to see that as well later on in the video. But yeah, right now I'm just using the Morphe 25B Bronze Mocha palette. All right, so right now we're cutting our crease. We're using the P. Louise, excuse me, the P. Louise base in Rumor Zero. A tip or a trick to do this is to put that base on closer to your lash line and look straight up. That way it shows you exactly how high you need to go. So that way your cut crease isn't too high or too low. And then you just can't see it at all, or it's too high and it just messes up the shape of your eye. I am doing this. I'm sorry, my mouth a little watery. I'm hungry. Anyway, what was I saying? Oh, I am doing this in real time because I don't want you guys to think that this is a quick process. It takes time to get it right, and that is okay. It's okay. I've done cut creases plenty of times, and I still take my time with it to make sure that it is perfect and crisp. And hold up, I got me another tip and trick for y'all. So you get a small, this is a paintbrush from Michaels, a really small, skinny paintbrush. And you use that to, you put a little bit on the end, and you just use that to sharpen that line around your crease. And that way it's not like blurred or anything. If your brush wasn't super flat, or, you know, you just messed up a little bit, you can use this to be precise and get that cut crease knife sharp. Oh, girl, I need a glass of wine. Anyways, keep enjoying the video. I'll chime back in if I need to. All right, everybody, so I'm starting to realize that Linux is waking up. I can't do this video anymore. Luckily, I am pretty much done. So VoiceOver Ryan is out. Everything will be in the description box below. And you'll hear my voice in 3, 2, 1. We almost made it. He woke up when I was doing my lips. Yes. All right, my beautiful butterflies. That is it. That is the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see y'all in the next one. Peace. I gotta put this little boy back to bed. Mama.